Hey everybody, I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Jason Myers. Today, just a few areas where we could see a little bit of severe weather, only slight risks. It looks like nothing real big once again today. Yesterday was just a few areas of some severe weather, a couple of tornado reports, one in Virginia and then another it looks like in Kansas. And we also had another report, I believe, at least National Weather Service officials are going to go check it out next to Schenectady, New York is where they're going to be heading, but mostly just wind and hail. Today, it looks like we have three different spots, two spots highlighted in yellow, the mid-Atlantic right there in the Carolinas, right there along the New Mexico-Texas border again, and then we have another little hot spot in Montana. Let's just head to the East Coast first. These storms are going to be popping up this afternoon. And really Charlotte, Columbia, Myrtle Beach, Wilmington, just a few of the places in this slight risk area. Hail going to be a big threat. We're going to see that threat for hail as this upper level disturbance really exits the region. Wind is also a threat. Tornado, a minor threat in right along the North Carolina, South Carolina coast. Looks like Columbia just outside of that tornado risk. Myrtle Beach right in the thick of it. So is Florence, South Carolina, as well as Wilmington, North Carolina. That's what we're looking at in the Carolinas. Heading west, these storms will also be popping up in the late afternoon and into the evening hours in Texas and New Mexico. The biggest threat here is just going to be some large hail, the highlighted region there. So Roswell seeing that chance for some hail is in parts of Texas. Wind also going to be a threat, again highlighted in yellow. A little farther to the north, I mentioned that place in Montana, not necessarily under a slight risk. The biggest threat here is really just going to be downbursts from really large storms, and that's going to create the conditions for some strong winds as well as potentially some hail as well. And that's really all we're looking at all day long across the country, just a few hot spots, and it's really only a small risk for severe weather across the country. Be safe. A lot of folks hitting the roads today, doing a little bit of traveling for the holiday weekend, so not only be safe with the weather, but be safe on the roads as well. I'll keep you posted on all our social network pages if anything happens to pop up, and of course Storm Shield will alert you to any watches or warnings that may occur during the day today. Have a safe one. I'll see you next time.